Hi, Anna. Hi, gisapot ka. You will join my hall, Anna? Hello, maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. Kuya Afont. We just got home from Yumbo. So we're gonna do the Yumbo shopping haul. Ang kuanday, ang Yumbo kay ang spelling kay J-U-M-B-O. Jumbo.
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 Yumbo.
But Yumbo ang tawag diri, no? Kuan siya usa siya sa pinakadakong shopping. Kuan siya one of the biggest supermarket nga chain sa Netherlands. So anyway, mag-start na ta sa atong haul kay dali ron siya nga video kay sa puton among inday. Say hi, Ana. Hi. Hello. So good, let's start. So first one we have tarts. Kuan siya. Unsa man ni? What's this flavor ba? Apple caramel fly half?
Apple.
You can see here, Papa.
Clumsy, yeah. FIFA, of course.
Okay, you're playing FIFA.
Okay.
With basta anyway, apple flavor siya. Makita ba klaro dira? It's for 3 euro. This, that. Unsa ni? What's this?
Smoothie.
It's a smoothie, apple smoothie with
Yeah.
apple, strawberry, aardbei, banana. Drauf. What is drauf?
Like little, how you call it?
Unsa na?
The same as the way you make wine from it, how you call it, little things.
Grape?
Yeah.
Okay. Drauf. And then we have yeah, this one. Hello. Patira na. Kuan milk di ay we have like three ani. Milk. This is hard with Anna di ay oy. And then we have drumsticks, skip. I wanna make adobo because gimingan ko adobo. I normally na ay may convenience or gamay nga supermarket diri do sa amo. And ang ilahang manok gikuan nila bukog, so lahi sa to ano lami ba yang nay bukog. So we have drumsticks, and then we also have breast nga fillet for the noodles. Ako sa gulan na noodles, and then of course we have Doritos bits. It looks spicy, Dodong.
Yeah, no, it's not spicy.
It says honey barbecue flavor.
Yeah.
I thought it was at first. I
If
thought
it
it's
is
chocolate.
spicy in Nederland, they're gonna put it in big letters on spicy. That's
Yeah,
not
I
right.
understand. I thought this was chocolate, Dodong. And then we have what's this? Mihon. Kung dili ka kalitok og bihon, inga na lang og mihon. Say mihon, Papa, mihon.
Mihun.
Yeah, mihon. Kuan siya no kanang glass noodles. Kaya siya isagol nako siya sa lumpia. Kaya ilang their lumpia here has glass noodles. I find it weird, but it's actually good. It's actually lekker. And then we have Dreft dishwashing liquid. And this is lime and lemongrass. Now, I like lemongrass smell or the scent. And then we have Roots multivitamin. This is actually really nice as well. Mild rasha. Mild. Multi... Wat is buang?
Multivitamin. Ja, multivruchten.
Vruchten.
Yeah.
Multivruchten. Multivitamin. And then we have... Is it champagne?
Yeah, kind of champagne.
And then we have champagne for the kerstmas of the
New
Year.
For New Year. With
New
New
Year.
Year, we always drink champagne.
Okay, for New Year, we have 2 bottles of champagne. Papa, she wants to drink.
Yeah? You wanna try it? Yeah, come.
We win. And then we have another boost for Ruth's uncle. It's called Gold Strike?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's this, vodka?
No, it tastes like cinnamon.
Okay.
50%.
Ooh. It's pretty crazy.
That's pretty, but it's...
And then we have broth because broth is life. Yeah, broth is life for Anna.
Yeah.
And then, of course, di dyan mawa among croissant. and Jumbo. So this one is for €1. 4 beer sticks, 4 pieces. Oh, you still have the milk here, Dodo. Oh wait. Oh, this is harder than I thought, Papa. Sige, sugo. And then Anna's broth. This is Anna's bread because pero di sa niya put no kay kusi-kusi raman niya ang broth. Yeah, that's your broth. Daisy Zine jouw broodjes.
Dit zijn jouw broodjes.
Dit?
Ja.
I thought deze
Of,
is...
ja, of deze broodjes zijn van jou. Ja.
Okay.
Make it easy.
Now it's hard. And then another multivitamin drink. Oh, multivitamin drink. Also another one. This one's actually nice. Ruth really likes this one. Maka-juicy ko ano. Maka-juicy Ruth. And then we have a case of this one, 24 pieces. This is Hertogjan. It's beer.
Belgian beer.
Huh?
Ja, Belgian beer.
I'm not into beer. I'm not into alcohol.
That's good beer.
I've tried alcohol before, but
But this is good beer. Yeah.
I can't live without it. But Ruth doesn't also drink a lot. He drinks
Sometimes.
every day.
No.
Nay. And then we have cola for the guests. Limited ay ang maari no sa Netherlands for Christmas. 24, 25, 26 Papa?
25, 26. 24
25. Yeah.
It's Christmas
25
Eve.
and 20 December 25 and 26 we're allowed to have maximum 3 guests per day. 3 guests per day, but except those dates, duhara per day. Duhara. So ako rang in-laws makaari termino. And then, but excluding kids, paano? And then of course rice is life for mama. We have tray,
Different kind.
but it's a
Oh,
different
one.
kind.
This is a bigger one, but this is pandan.
Pandan rice.
I don't
Ang
know.
rice dahil diri no kay ani. Rice. R-E-Y-S-T.
Yeah, rice.
Riced. Riced is leaf.
Nee, zo niet.
Leaf is love, Papa, no? What is life?
Leaf is leven.
Leaf. Rice is leven.
Leaf means like sweet or kind.
Oh, yubo ko lang. Ubo. And then we have beef. This is mixed beef and pork. 980 grams. Almost 1 kilo. This is for my lumpia.
Yeah.
Then we have tomato soup again. It's a regular in the pantry because Ruth always has it for lunch.
That
For
is right.
lunch. Lunch and we had it for lunch actually, no? Middageten?
That one.
No, Papa. Middag?
Ja,
Middageten.
Ja, oh, ja.
For middageten. And then this is, what is this?
This is a dessert, white chocolate dessert.
Okay, chocolademousse.
Chocolademousse, ja.
Chocolademousse, chocolate mousse. And then you.
Cassis.
I don't know why Ruth likes this one. I
It's like cola, Fanta,
Fine.
and blueberry.
find this really weird, but he likes it, so he's weird. Okay. And then we have chocomel.
Chocomel, ja.
Chocomel, yeah. Half vol. Vol?
Half full, but
Half
half
full.
full, but it's same as with milk, the different kinds of milk.
Yeah.
Full, half full.
Ang chocolate milk dire kay kuan siya, no? I don't know. I think it's popular here. And then
Chocolate milk
with
is- yeah.
with what's that, Papa? The oh no, have Nisha again.
Uh-huh.
We drink apple. No, this one with
With whipped cream. Slagroom.
Whipped cream. I forgot whipped cream. Yeah, whipped cream. And then of course this one essential para sa mga babae. This is life too. And we have
Toilet paper.
This is toilet paper. And then this is for the paper towel, the kitchen towel, cooking towel. This one is really, really nice. Ang friend namo no nga, kuan siya. Indonesian siya, nasa siya Netherlands. Gipatry ko niya ani days nga, how do you say this po?
Bubbles.
Buggles?
Bugels, bubbles.
Buggles? Is this Dutch of meat?
I'm not sure. Dutch.
Anna really likes the sound of this konang plastic ba nga. Kumot-kumoton ganahan kay siya. I don't know why. She really likes this one. Nay? I said, well, Anna really likes this one, and Anna's like,
Nee, she doesn't know.
and then we have another one. Cheese onion flavor. This is for the new year when Ruth's friends come over. And then we have another one of this, but with the ilang mataga ka longgo. This is cheese flavor. She wants it, papa. And last one, kani paprika na sad. Paprika flavor. I don't know why I sound like I'm like screaming or like yeah, ever since I gave birth, akong tingog na usab. I think that was during the last trimester of my pregnancy. My voice started to like change like
Like that.
so nang ko nirot no kay karang tago na ko siya kay when he went to Cebu before I gave birth, he was working working from home. Like he was allowed to work from home. And then I would call him like bang. he would always mimic like bang. And seriously, my voice changed a lot. So medyo ni kuan akong tingog kanang ni ubos og maay ba. So if mutaas akong tingog, mura ko naglove no. So mura ko magsyagit permi nga sa baoy maratag malumos ba. So comment down below no if katong makarelate nga mga mama, like if you can relate, if that also happened to you when or after you gave birth. By the way, our Anna is 7 and a half. No, almost 8 months old now. Yeah, Papa no? 7 and a half, Papa?
7.5.
Yeah, 7.5 months old. Yeah, she's growing fast. Yeah. She's looking at the camera, wow. Yo. Yeah. But kuan day update day. Wala pa ko'y work no na there is a Netherlands. We got here October and it's what? Kuan na December 3 and 20. Yeah. December 23 na. So 2 months na mi kapin, mag 3 months na mi diri, but then di pa ko pwede mo work no kay tong dahik ita. Ay bantay sa kong dahik. Uy, mo ba na sa dahik ni mama? Ni mama? Akong lablab ne? Ne ko na ne. Ang ne di ay kay, ne means no. Right, Anna? Toch? Yeah? I love you. Papa, I'm gonna end the vlog, Papa.
Papa's eating chocolate, of course.
Katang,
Num num num.
katang formal kay si Rod, no? Katang formal si Rod kay naka-work clothes pa siya kay after work he went straight to his parents' place and then we had dinner there and then after that gibili na mo si Anna para maka boat shopping me no or grocery shopping me. And then
it was already 10 o'clock almost.
yeah, and then we
Yeah.
stayed for a little bit kay nagtan ami og football. Yeah.
No soccer, football, yeah.
Yeah, it's almost 10 o'clock na, no? Alas 10 na. So, in the Philippines, unsa na rong orasa? 5? In the morning, no, Dodong? 5 uur.
That was earlier.
Toch?
Yeah, that's true. 7 hours. He's 7 hours earlier.
Yeah. So, 7 hours daya ang difference na to sa Philippines. So, yeah. Ang mga taga-Tabugo nangatulog pa ron. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. So, I'll see you on our Christmas Day vlog. Right, Anna? I'm gonna change the diaper. Yeah, so see you on the next video. Yeah? Yeah, please subscribe! Bye, Papa!
Bye bye, Mama.
Bye-bye, Mama Boy. Mush, mush, babush. Babush, Papa.
Babush.
See you, babush.